Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to set custom notification sounds on Motorola G52. Let's go. So all we need to do again is go to settings, scroll down to sounds and vibration, then go lower, here, default notification sound. Default is hello. That's the notification sounds on Motorola, but we are going to add custom sound. Again, we go here and to downloads, and it's gonna be this. This is my notification sound from now on. Okay. Guys, thank you for watching. Have a good day. Goodbye. I hope you liked the video. And again, goodbye.